This is a quick explanation of how to create calendar events in Schoology so that students can see them to maybe stay organized, and so you can see them. So you see here on my homepage in Schoology, I have a bunch of class meetings coming up that I've set up, and they show up here on my homepage. But for each of these classes, they also show up in the classes. So let me go ahead now and show you how to go into one of the classes. So any class you have, in order to create an event, you just need to go over here. So actually it looks like I need to create one for this class. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on Add Event, and my next meeting with this class is on Wednesday at 8:15 a.m. So I'm just going to call it Wednesday's class. Please log on to Schoology conferences for this class. And, go to, let's say that. Okay, so now students know, just based on that, it'll be a reminder in their class page. If they were to go up here onto calendar, they would see it right there for 8:15, and they would also see it if they go over here. An easy way to get to their home page is always to click on the RSU 39, and they would see it over there. So Wednesday, that's that class. So students can kind of see anything that's coming up, whether it be a calendar event or an assignment. So that's how to create an event in Schoology Calendar.